When you have an overflow life, and everybody has overflow, surprise, everybody has overflow life. My feeling is this: single person can merge to 1,000 persons. Single person merge to 1,000 persons. Like this, everybody has life like this actually. Or there is nothing to do. First thing, respect life. First thing, respect. And not begging any things for life. Not begging. If you are begging, then you disconnect from life. You have no connection. If you are begging, always live for giving. Then people are living for giving. They are going to deeper. They are touching the life. And if you have any single idea to getting, you will have a disconnection from the life. Only this two technique is working here. If people has this two understanding, always live giving attitude. Just like somebody in front of you, give a smile. Give a smile. Then you will be more. Then you are playing life. Then you smile and you are waiting for smiling. If somebody did not give you any answer, in spite of that, again somebody comes, smile. Always smile. Always give a smile. And once you will have this taste, that giving is the great phenomenon. And you start from a smile. There you are not losing anything. You are not losing any property actually. Just smile. Always see to anybody else. Not go like this. Smile. Nice smile. And smile will go developed. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. When I am smiling in front of you, then 3rd day you will smile sure. 100%. This is the synchronicity actually. It works. Very simple work. So in commune, this is very beautiful technique. I have no any idea about you. In spite of that, smiling. Because smiling has no need to any judgment. Smiling is giving attitude. It's giving attitude. Just smile. Whole day you do like this. Whole day. Because you are poor, you have nothing, it's okay, don't mind. But you have smiling. This is your property, real property, endless property. Then surprise, you will smile with plant. It should start with human being. Very easy. Very easy. Because you want to little response. Little response. And this response habit should not, but aware about that. So smile with human being. Then you will smile with tree, smile with plant, smile with birds, smile with sky, smile with sun, smile with moon. Only you have very nice things, smiling. And smiling is the overflow of the life. Remember it. Overflow. When somebody starts smiling, it means that moment you have no need to anything. You have more than enough. You have more than enough. When you are smiling, you feel fully satisfied yourself. And smiling, going to smile. This technique is very beautiful technique. If people can start smiling, then you will have a taste of giving. A taste of giving is the spiritual journey. Taste of getting is the journey of stupidity. Journey of stupidity. Always think for getting. Always think for getting. This is the very much disease with human being. Mostly people, 99 people are living in this attitude. Somebody should give a smile. What a great phenomenon. Somebody should give you a smile, then he is overflow. So he is earning, not you are earning. He is earning. You are not earning. You will go a little more down and more down. If you are waiting for someone, you should first. Always you should first for smiling. Don't wait somebody smile, then I smile. No. You take chance. You smile first. And why, you will have a giving attitude, and giving attitude is the test of love. Love is not a test for getting. This is a stupid idea to get love from others. Never. Nobody can get. It seems like you are getting, but you are losing. It called misunderstanding. It called unintelligent. It seems like you are getting and you are losing same time. It called unintelligent. And you are giving. You are getting. You are giving, then you are getting. This is intelligence. This is the right way of the life. Right understanding of the life. So live like this, just smile. To see each other, nice smile. Early morning James comes to me. Or I smile very much. Whole night I smile. Nobody is there, then smile. Then Jen comes early morning. I am singing a song and smiling. So few days she enjoy with me. Then 4-5 days she comes. Baba, I am not good. What happened? Somebody gave me a bad word. I hurt myself. Then I said, Jen, aware about this actually. And feel compassion for others. Because when somebody gives you a bad word, then this is the system of existence. Existence create compassion through him, and you should aware. You should aware. After this situation, when you will go according to me, then you will be more happy. Once in a while, if somebody give you a bad word to you, means you are on the surface. He did much compassion through very much deeper. You touch with your life. You are touching, just touching life actually. Because you are in dreaming. And what is the bad word? What is the bad word? Somebody say bad word. Somebody only can do one thing, break your dream. Somebody is breaking only your dream. Nobody can do anything to anybody else actually. Only they are breaking your dream. You are feeling you are good. you are this or that, you are one of the beautiful, and somebody said something else. So what he did? What is the bad? Just he breaks your dream. And he did you in reality. You face your reality and break your dream. That's breaking the dream. Otherwise, nobody here, why people can say bad word to anyone? This is the system of existence. This is the system to be aware each other. Breaking the dream actually. Otherwise, if this system not had been in the world, people will be lazy, dull, and back to earth like this. So this is great phenomena happen among of society, among of the people. Once in a while somebody hit, wow, very nice. And what he did, just break your dream. When you realize, then you laugh. Wow. He did break. Without any effort, something happened. Very nice. Then next time you visit to him, then smile. So don't feel this somebody should give a smile, because you have smiling more than enough. That's why you are smiling. So don't any expectation. Somebody should smile. Somebody can do, because everybody is free. You are free to give a smile, and somebody is free to hit you. So when somebody hit you, then he is breaking your smiling was not very deeper. So next time you will be more deeper, more deeper and more deeper. Sooner or later you surprise. Really you will smile with plant. Nobody is there. Looks like a maid. You can hug the plant. You touch the leaf like this, like a girlfriend. I'm saying real. This is my experience. Always I am talking, remember it, my experience. Very much. People can enjoy so much, but they should live in giving attitude. Always look to each other. When I came here, I told you, what we do? Look each other nicely. What a great phenomena happen. Proper eye, we are using proper sense. We are looking each other and enjoying nicely. This is the proper use of the eye. We are listening each other, talking with each other, enjoying, but always live in giving attitude. And start from the smiling. This is the right starting. Because if you start with in your mind very significant things like a money or like a worship or like a this or that, then you will be tired, I know. It should be start here. Because you have without any expend, you did not expend for that. No investment there. You did not invest anything for smiling. Smiling comes through life. Through life. For that, you did nothing as an investment. You did investment for many things. I am not saying immediately you give that. Later you can do anything. But in the starting, without investment, what do you have it? You start to give. So give to everyone. Then you forget this question. This stupid question will be dissolved. Then you will have a nice understanding what is the purpose of life. Give smiling. Not smiling to one girl only. can give everywhere, everywhere, every corner, the whole existence. For love, lot of things existence creates. Because everywhere existence developed through this form, through this form, through this form. When you will have a loving attitude, then you can feel. Nothing is here except existence. You love lot. Only love. Here only the love, nothing remains. Only love. Sleeping with love, coming out with love, and take shower with love, eating with love, talking with love, looking with love. Love is always more than enough. Everybody has more than enough love story. And everybody begging love. Surprise! Surprise! Oh, one saint was the Kabir. He said, I feel very much laugh among of the people. What they are doing, they have always more than enough. And they are begging same thing. And they have themselves more than enough. But they are not using. They are very much busy for begging, not using. You have a real property, did not use. And you are begging for using tomorrow. If you are not using here and now, then you cannot use any time actually. So other question remains. Then I can discuss other dimension, other loving dimension. Because among of us only the love is the relation. I am not a master. I don't want this stupid idea to be master. And you are not my disciple. This is also a stupid idea. We have a very beautiful connection, loving connection. Love with each other. This is the great connection actually. I love you, you love me. What a great relation. And everybody has more than enough. Nothing for giving. Surprise. Nothing for giving. Nothing for losing. Giving, lot of giving, nothing for losing. Because everybody has more than enough. I think should be relation like this. If someone has a more than enough, that things you do in relation. Other thing, anything has a limit. And people are greedy for that. Because if they have limited things, they will be greedy. Because first they want to use themselves, then they will give you. First they want. But smiling love, if understanding is clear, then you can understand you have love more than enough. Everybody has love here more than enough. Because love is the life. Life is love. Love is God. How can limit? There is no limit. Love is God. God is love. Same thing. You can see here. God is love. And love is God. And God is love. What a great phenomenon. Where you search God, everywhere God. If love is there, then everywhere God. Love is God. So not very much go to philosophy, live in practical life, then everything very nice. Anything more or enjoy love. Really, people can understand what I am saying. I hope today people can understand. Because without investment, I give you a technique. There is no investment. Then you can, just like since many days, Manish was not laughing, not looking smile. Today he is smiling.